real easy to put it in a box, but to make it look heads and tails better than the next one is not as easy as it sounds.
Everybody seems to have a category where they are more comfortable, and chicken has always been ours.
So in competition barbecue, I compete against 6 people, and it's those 6 judges at the table. So I need to go in there and give them the best quality product, have it visually amazing, have it taste amazing, and have it be perfect tenderness.
Show up, have your head right, have all of your work done, enjoy yourself.
You know, we've got 1 or 2 bites to make our impression with the judge. I'm very competitive.
I'm gonna get that perfect competition bite next competition, I guarantee you.